If you ever close Word by accident and forget to save, don't panic. Word has an auto-recover system that often keeps a recent copy, and in most cases, you can get your work back in a few easy steps. Let me close without saving this document. Start by opening Word again. It does not matter if you open a new blank document or an existing file. Once Word is open, click the File tab in the upper left corner to go into the Backstage view. In the left column, click Info. In the main area, you will see a button labeled Manage Document, or in some versions, it may say Manage Documents or Manage Versions. Click that button. From the drop-down menu, choose Recover Unsaved Documents. Word will open a File Explorer window showing the folder where unsaved auto-recover files are kept. These files often have the TSD extension or a long-generated name and a date and timestamp. Sort the files by date modified so you can quickly find the most recent version. Look for the file that matches the time you were working, select it, and click Open. Word will open the recovered file so you can check its contents. When the document opens, you will see a prompt to save it. Click Save as in the message bar or go to File, then Save As, and save the document to a memorable location on your computer with a clear file name so you do not lose it again. Let's open the file. You might need to change the view of the document. If you do not see the file you expect, try checking the same folder later or look for files with nearby timestamp. Saving frequently while you work and giving files clear names will make recovery easier in the future. That is the simplest way to recover an unsaved Word document. If this helped, save the recovered file right away and consider turning on autosave or saving regularly as you work. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.